But oh, solving polynomials is so fun. Standard form for a polynomial. So standard form, there's so many different things for standard form for a polynomial or for any sort of equation or anything like that. Polynomials are, you have a whole bunch of different terms. So this is where you have like 3x squared plus 4x minus 10, for example, right? So you've got all these different terms and things like that. Standard form is writing it in descending order of degrees. So one of these problems here that starts out, it's got 11x plus 2x squared minus 3 plus x to the fifth. So with these, when you're talking about polynomials, when we're talking about degrees of polynomials, we're talking about the exponents up here. So like this polynomial has 4 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Terms are separated by adding and subtracting. And then the degrees are like the exponent. So like this is a 2nd degree, this is a 5th degree. So this polynomial is a 5th degree 4-term polynomial. That's a lot. But the main thing is that you just need to know, like, okay, standard form means that I write it in descending order. So I go through and I get x to the 5th. That one goes first. Then it goes plus 2x to the 2nd, plus 11x. Notice that the symbols all go along, minus 3. So that's from the descending order. The reason we have to do this is because it's sort of like when we were adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing fractions. It's easier if you just make them into a like a top-heavy fraction. So what that does is it makes it so you can do different work with that polynomial. Okay, so you're going in descending order here. So you can there are like follow-up steps to this. This is just like one part of one step before you can start like factoring it or solving it or completing the square or whatever you need to do with the polynomial, which I don't think you can do any of those things with this one. This is a doozy.